socket. Okay, today we're working on 2018 Camry. You have like a downstream oxygen sensor light comes on. Okay, today we're gonna working on a 2018 Camry oxygen sensor. So this is the front part of the car, and then that's the oxygen sensor, and then this one is coming here. Clip is on here, so I'm just gonna unclick it and then release the harness. There's a black clip on the side. Push it, and then unplug it. So there is a clip on the black wire harness, and then this one we're gonna use the oxygen sensor socket. Put it in, and then break it, and then open it. Yeah, this one was a hard time to break it down, so I just use this one to hold it, and then push, use the hammer at the ends, and then you break off. Okay, so we're gonna put the new one, and then I put the anti-seize on the thread, and then we just plug it in and then screw back in. Yeah, you can put it with the hands, and then we're gonna use an oxygen socket to tighten it down. But you don't have to tie it too much so it doesn't strip. I think that's more than enough. So let me just turn it one more time. Okay, that's good enough. Oh, this one doesn't have a tie for the wire holder, so I'm gonna take out from the old one and then put it in. And then all you have to do is plug the wire harness in there, right here. Okay, so this is after we done everything. So we put the wire, the clip here, and then right here, plug into the back piece. Okay, we're done for the downstream, the oxygen sensor. Thank you for watching.